Hi everyone! Today I'm in northern Idaho to check out the short line St.Maries River Railroad. The St. Marie River Railroad is a short line Class 3 railroad that operates on 71 miles of trackage in northern Idaho. It mainly operates between Plummer, Idaho and St. Maries, Idaho on what was the Milwaukee Road's Pacific Northwest main line across the Rockies. The St. Maries River Railroad began service in 1980, and I've got photos and videos to show you from two trips, one in 2016 and one in 2023. One of the more exciting moments in rail fanning this short line would be to catch something going over the Lake Benoit Trestle Bridge. When I was visiting this railroad in 2023, it was a Wednesday, and we were told that they go to Plummer on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So unfortunately, I didn't get to see anything crossing the Trestle Bridge. But here's a picture of St. Maries River Railroad number 103 crossing in 2016. When I arrived here in 2023, a two-person crew was just finishing up for the day, doing a little bit of switching of cars. In 2016, we caught number 103 waiting in Plummer. It was waiting to interchange with Union Pacific, which on that day was about 2 hours late, giving lots of time to take photographs. It took the cars that Union Pacific brought and then headed back to St. Marie and then back to the shops.
And it's only a couple of years previous I saw them loading coal like that.
Right.
I said, geez, that's
Loading it with a front end loader instead of a hopper.
oh, pathetic. I mean, they were working about that fast. I thought, well, I'm not hanging around for this train. They had something like 50 cars to load up.
Take them a week to get loaded.
Well, it would have was an average coal train, that's for sure.
Researching the St. Marie River Railroad roster leads me to believe that they might have 6 engines, although 2 of them could be out of service. I wasn't able to see all 6 engines, but I was able to photograph 4 of them.
Way out in Idaho, way out in Idaho, working on the narrow gauge, way out in Idaho. Well, he laid me down $5 like many another man, and I hurried to the depot as happy as a clam. When I got to Pocatello, my troubles began to grow. I was waiting in the sagebrush, the rain, the wind, the snow. Way out in Idaho, way out in Idaho, working on the narrow gauge, way out in Idaho.
Like this and want to see more? Subscribe to this channel and you'll get to see all the latest videos. Don't forget to push like and share. Thank you so much.
Way out in Idaho, way out in Idaho.